Hi, stop telling yourself that you're no one. You are not just not someone, you are someone special. Let me show you. There is something you know that most other people don't know. There is something that you are good at that 95% of the people haven't got a clue about. There is some special knowledge, talent, the gift that you have that others don't. And guess what? They could do with what you have. You just don't know about it and you don't know how to get it to them. But guess what? Not only do they want it, they would be willing to pay you for what you have to save themselves the headache. Let me show you what happened with Alex. Alex is a mechanic. He started off, opened up his own garage, lots of talent, started out, worked very hard and built his garage up. Nearly collapsed in the beginning because he didn't have enough money coming in to pay the rent. So I went and spoke to him one day and said to him, wanted to have my car done by him, and he looked really stressed out. I said, Alex, what's wrong? He said, well, I haven't got enough money coming in and I don't know how long I can keep this big garage going. So I said to him, well, okay, uh, you haven't got enough business coming in. So what you do is you go to the local taxi stand and say to them that you will give an oil change for £10 and you will replace the brake pads for £10 and you will do the general service for 15-20 pounds, and you'll do it while they stand there and they don't even need an appointment. And that will flood about 300 drivers into you because they're paying about £150 for what you're going to do for about £10-15. That'll get you going and that'll keep you busy and it'll give you work until more customers come in. Well, he did that. And in about 3 months, he had so much business he couldn't handle it. And he was able to charge a little bit more and used what he knew best, i.e., the mechanical side of it. He made reasonably good money and he was able to pay his rent. Then I said to Alex, Alex, you've got a lot of knowledge and a lot of talent. And is that all you're going to use your knowledge and talent for? So he asked me to explain what I mean. I said, look, there are people out there who are mechanics, but not as good as you. They were working in another garage, right? And they want to open up a business of their own. They don't know how to do that. You have knowledge and experience of how to do that. Also, there are mechanics who are just starting out in this trade, but nobody wants to help them out to, show them all the ropes. You've got 10 years of knowledge, 10 years of experience in this trade. Why don't you advertise that and help the people who need it? Save somebody 4 or 5 years of headache and give them the information and the knowledge you have for a little bit of a charge. So if they went the way they're going to go, it's going to cost them a lot of money, a lot of headache, a lot of time to get to where you are. Now, it's taken you 10 years to get where you are. Now, if you sat down and put whatever you know into a little program that somebody can sit there at home and listen to some audios and videos and shave themselves off by 4 or 5 years of headache and get that off you for, say, about £100, right? Wouldn't that be value to them? And wouldn't it be value to you that you're putting something into the community? And he thought, oh my God, yes. I said, also, Alex, look, you had 3 ramps fitted in your garage, right? But there's a guy who wants to be a mechanic. He doesn't know the first thing about how to get a ramp fitted. Not only do you know how to get a ramp fitted, you know who's the best person to go to have it fitted from. You know how much it'll cost you. You know exactly what to do and what not to do. How to set up your own garage in the beginning. There's so much information you have, but somebody who does not have a garage, who's thinking about opening up a garage in the next 2, 3, 4 years, right? He's just going, somebody who's just doing research now, you could give them all this information. And you could even, especially if they're local, you can invite them in and show them how you run this shop and have a look at it. Now, who would not want to pay you a little bit of a fee for your time and your trouble, so that you could save them 4 or 5 years of headache? Have you thought about that? And he looked into that and he said, my God, I never thought of it. That's the point I'm trying to make. We all have a lot of knowledge, a lot of talent. There's something that we are good at, the others are not. And somebody out there can do with that knowledge, but we're not sharing because we don't know how to share it with those people. If you send me a message on this link, I will show you how to share it.